Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore bundled discounts with Liberty Mutual step by step clearly. To restore bundled discounts with Liberty Mutual, start by gathering your policy information. Visit the Liberty Mutual website or open the mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one by entering your details as directed. Once logged in, navigate to the Policies section on the dashboard. Review your current policy details to ensure you understand your coverage and discounts. Locate the Discounts tab or section within your policy overview. Check if your bundled discount is visible or if it shows as inactive. If it appears inactive, look for an option that says Manage Discounts or Edit Discounts. Follow the prompts to review your current bundled policies. If necessary, add or update the policies you want to bundle, such as auto and home insurance. Ensure that each policy meets the eligibility requirements for bundling. After making your selections, save your changes and proceed to the next steps. Review the new estimated premium to see how the bundled discount affects your overall rate. If the discount is still not applied, contact Liberty Mutual customer service for assistance. Have your policy numbers ready when you call for a smoother process. Explain your situation and ask them to restore or reapply your bundle discount. The representative will guide you through any additional steps required. Afterward, request a confirmation email showing the updated policy information. Once you receive it, check your policy again to confirm the discount is now applied. Now you can enjoy your savings and the convenience of bundled coverage with Liberty Mutual. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.